I get a lot of women in my classes that say, you know, I love the really long guided meditations and yada yada, but like I need faster ways to relax, which I totally get. And especially during childbirth when there can be a lot going on, it can be hard to focus. Sometimes it's nice to have super simple, rapid relaxation techniques, which is what this video is. I'm going to go through some of my favorite rapid relaxation techniques. So the first one, and this is one that I use when I'm having some insomnia, it's kind of similar to the counting sheep thing. So with this, you close your eyes and you just envision letters of the alphabet rolling towards you or rolling across your vision. So for example, AAA, BBB, CCC, DDD. A lot of times I'll just start over AAA, BBB, CCC, DDD. This gives you something very monotonous, very easy to remember. It's something that doesn't take any concentration, and in your mind you can even kind of speak lighter and lighter. It's like CCC, and you can even envision the letters kind of dissolving back in your mind as you go deeper and deeper into the subconscious mind, into a really restful space. This can also really help if your mind is like swirling with super stressful thoughts. I don't know about you, but sometimes, you know, when I wake up at 3 a.m. and I can't go back to sleep, I start having terrifying thoughts about all sorts of stuff that does not cross my mind during normal waking hours. I totally spin out. So focusing on these letters and nothing else can really help me slip out of that fearful state and into a state of relaxation. And a lot of times I fall right back asleep. Okay, another one is counting down from zone 5 to 1. This is a very simple one. I'm sure you've heard of some variation of it before. So you just envision that your body is separated into 5 different zones, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, going down the body. You just close your eyes, envision that someone is pouring, you know, liquid morphine or endorphins just into the top of your head. And as you do that, as you envision that, you just count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Envision them pouring more morphine, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just continuing counting down, just feeling the fluids of relaxation flowing down through every nerve, every cell, every muscle of your body, just taking you deeper and deeper into that blissful state of relaxation. Again, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super simple. If you want more numbers, this is one from hypnobirthing that we do, and it's called the thermometer. Super creative name, which is nice, easy to remember. And so with this, you just envision that there is a thermometer within your body, starting at the top of your head. So here's the bulb going down to the tips of your toes. This is a very similar idea. You pour that liquid morphine or whatever the relaxation fluid is, envision it being poured into that bulb, and then starting at 40, very slowly counting down 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, and so on. Just feeling that relaxation fluid slowly spreading down, down, down through your body. Good. Another really great hypnobirthing one is envisioning yourself just floating on a bed of mist that is your birthing color of choice. So in hypnobirthing, we encourage moms to choose a color that they associate with, you know, calm, empowerment, whatever it is that you're wanting more of, you know, in your pregnancy or childbirth experience. Just envision that color representing those emotions, those sensations. For me, it was teal, like a turquoise color. And so you just close your eyes and you just envision that you're floating in a mist of that color. And then that mist is transmitting, you know, that relaxation, that calm, that trust in your body, that trust in your baby into your mind and body. And it's just like a nice visualization to imagine that you're just like floating. Those are some of my favorite rapid relaxation techniques. If you have other ones, let me know in the comments below. Oh wait, I forgot one. Okay, one of my favorite ones, super simple, just a light touch massage on your hand or on your arm. Sometimes I wake up and I'm doing this. It's like my subconscious mind loves it so much, it does it in my sleep. So just really lightly, it's exactly what it sounds like, just taking the tips of your fingers and really lightly grazing it up and down your arms. It oftentimes releases endorphins, gives you goosebumps. It's such a simple way to physically just get yourself to relax. Again, so if you have any other rapid relaxation techniques you want to share, let me know in the comments below, or if you have questions about any of these, let me know.